In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add and insert categories and tags in your posts. So let's get started. On our WordPress dashboard, inside this Post option, choose sub-option Categories. It's showing all the categories here. To add a new category, insert category name. We can also insert parent category from here. We don't need a parent category, so we will select None. And then click on this Add New Category button. So the category is added successfully. Let's add a new one. Enter name, and we are going to choose one parent category for this. We have just created WordPress, so let's choose it, and click on the Add button. So the subcategory is created under the parent category, WordPress. You can view it from here, and it is showing under its parent category. Let's go to All Posts. Click on it. Select your article, and click on this Edit button. So here on the right, you can see all of your categories. Select the category you want your post to be in. You can select just Parent category, or Parent with Child category. Your choice, and click on the Update button. We have selected only one category, and it's updated. You can add a new category from here also. Click on it. Add New Category. Insert category name, and click on this Add New button. It's added successfully right here. Select the new one, and again, Update. Go back to this Categories option, and you can see it's added here also. Now, back to All Posts. Select this Quick Edit option. You can quickly edit the post details here, like the title, and select Categories also, and then click on the Update button. So here the category is added successfully, and the Tags column is empty. So let's go back to the Edit option. Below, you can see the text box to insert tags. Insert your desired tags and separate them with comma. So we have separated them with a comma, and it's already instructed here. Click on this Add button. You can also remove them by clicking on this Cross option. Then click on this Update button. Here on the left, you also have Tags option. Click on it. Here are all your tags. You can add new from here. Just insert tag name and click on this Add New Tag button. Your tags are added successfully. Now back to All Posts, and again on the Edit option. So in Tags text box, write the initial letters of your tags, and it's suggesting the previously added tag name. Click on the suggestion, and it added them like this. Then click on this Add button. Then Update. Back to All Posts, and you can see added tags are shown here in this Tags column. You can also add from this Quick Edit. On the right, you have Tags box. You can add new tags from here or delete some for this post. Then click on this Update button. Your new added tags have been shown here in the text column. Go back to this Tag option on the left, and here also you can see your newly added tags are shown. You can delete the tags if you want. Click on Delete and then OK for confirmation. So your tags have been deleted. Back to All Posts. You can see those deleted tags have already been removed from here. So that's pretty much everything with categories and tags. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's media option. We'll see step by step how to add media into the library and into your posts. See you in the next video tutorial.